Hi everyone, my name is Wei Zhang. Today I'm going to introduce the blended learning model. You may ask, does this term mean we throw everything into the machine? Actually, the answer is no. So, what is blended learning? There are a lot of different definitions of the concept. However, in this week's assigned reading, use blended learning, evidence-based practices. Qingfeng Hu and Winsome Chen provide us a broad definition of blended learning. Blended learning is any time a student learns at least in part at a supervised brick-and-mortar location away from home, and at least in part through the internet with some element of student control over time, place, and/or pace. They also provide 4 reasons that instructors should use blended learning. Firstly, it is an ability to meet students' educational needs. Secondly, it improves student-to-student communication. Thirdly, it reduces average overall per-student cost. Lastly, it improves students' learning outcomes. There is an example of blended learning at Spanaway Elementary School in the YouTube video. There are 3 small groups. Group A follows with teacher's instructions. Group B explores online resources related to the subject, and Group C does exercises independently. So, the elementary school teacher integrates the online website Dreambox with the classroom activities together. Basically, the blended way of learning is that the online and face-to-face components work together to deliver an integrated course. Google Classroom, YouTube, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, those are examples of blended learning tools. Also, in the assigned YouTube video, Blended Learning and Technology Integration, it said that blended learning does not equal to the technology integration. Jane Johnson provides us 4 hallmarks of blended learning. Seamless connection between online and offline work. For example, students evaluate and discuss their online assignments rather than simply complete assignments. Increased student collaboration and control. Students use the online collaborative platform to share opinions and thinking. They can learn from each other rather than only gain feedback from instructors. Regarding the control part, students can review the class content according to their own learning pace. Thirdly, online classroom presence, which is done by the learning management system. The friend of UCI students, Canvas, is a learning management system. Lastly, repurposed time. It means that there will be more time for collaborative or problem-solving activities. Finally, the difference between technology integration and blind learning is that blind learning is about instructional design, not about the technology itself. I believe that the blended learning model is the right way for both students and teachers. Using the combination of online tools and face-to-face instruction, students can explore by themselves, which frees instructors up to support other students who may need extra help. On the other hand, blended learning provides convenience and flexibility for learners as well. The blended learning will improve the quantity and quality of communication between students and teachers. Otherwise, through good communication with peers and instructors, social learning is supported. Living within the digital age, knowing how to use technology is essential for students. The blended learning way provides students with opportunities to get familiar with computer skills before they enter the workspace. I believe the blended learning way should adjust according to the age of students. For example, if the instructor uses a blended learning model in the university lecture setting, then the online learning tool is different from the one elementary students use. However, I have some concerns about the blended learning model in the technical aspect. For example, online tools need to be reliable and easy to use. Overall, I hold a positive attitude towards the blended learning model, which helps the students become more successful than traditional face-to-face learning.